Doing amazingly well. This video is slightly different and I haven't done something like this before. I will be shooting a vlog where I show you guys what I eat in a day. This was a very random idea and I got it last night, and I did a poll that time only asking you guys if you wanted to watch it, and so many of you said yes, so I'm finally shooting it. I've just woken up. Actually, I wake up around 9:30, but I laze around in bed till like 10:15. I'm not an early riser, and I freshen up and I head to eat my breakfast. I start off my day with my thyroid medicine. Now I have hypothyroidism, so I do have to take these medicines every morning before I eat anything, and once I do that, I freshen up and then I go to eat breakfast. So I'm going to show you guys what I'll be eating today. It changes every day. I don't have a fixed menu. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's going to be a very raw and candid video where I'll walk you through what I eat. And I hope you guys enjoyed, because if you do, I'll start making more of these. Don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button if you haven't yet. And let's get right into the food now. So for breakfast today, I have a bowl of overnight oats. They are called overnight because I soaked them a night before in milk with some cocoa powder, the Cadbury cocoa powder, some coffee. I add some hand-beaten coffee also to it. It's got some really healthy seeds. It's got flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin, sunflower seeds, and bananas. Of course, I love bananas, so it's got that. So I basically soak this overnight. In the morning, I take it out and I add some more milk to it before I have it, so it becomes like a really nice porridge. But whatever, it's really tasty and it is healthy. So if you guys want the full recipe, I'll mention it in the description box. My sister introduced me to it and it's yum. So yeah, this is what I eat. So I usually have like a bowl of fruits along with it in the morning. I'm having papita today, but usually I eat watermelon. Today watermelon was not very sweet, like it wasn't red. I like my watermelons like really red and juicy. Okay, that came out really wrong, but I really like them when they're very sweet and red. But today I'm having papita with, I also have like 4 or 5 almonds. These are soaked overnight again. So yeah, this is my breakfast. I'm gonna start eating now. So I'm done eating my breakfast. I'm gonna see you guys at lunch, and I'll also have a shower till then, so see you guys. So let's just see what's cooking for lunch today. We have paneer and we have dal. I actually have a menu on my fridge, okay, so I'm very choosy and picky about my food. So I actually made a menu and put it up here so that my mom and whoever's cooking, the cooks, can see it. So it has stuff like chole bhature, rajma, kadhi, dosa, pasta. I'm very picky, okay, so I eat only aloo and paneer. I'll tell you more about how picky I am about my food later when I start eating. But yeah, and also to everyone who said house tour mein kitchen nahi dikhaya, this is a little sneak peek of my kitchen. My mom's gonna kill me that I showed it because it's so like messy right now. But yeah, I'll see you guys at lunch. Also, this is my dog's food, guys. That's Elvis's food. That's Zoe's and that's Husky's, but they don't eat in the morning at all, so the food just keeps lying around. Elvis! Hi, baby! Okay, so this is what's there for lunch. There's dal, there's paneer that I showed you guys earlier. Then we have bharta, which I'm not going to eat, and then we have aloo as well. I didn't know aloo was also made actually. So I'm just going to serve myself. So I'm taking 1 bowl of dal and I'm going to take some paneer. I actually don't know what this paneer is called, but it's our mom's recipe. It's made with tomato gravy and it's delicious. I'm just going to take some paneer. I usually would have taken aloo as well, but I don't know if I want to. Okay, let me just take a little bit. I usually eat like only aloo or only paneer with dal, but abhi bana hua hai, so I'll just take a little bit. Now I usually eat it with fresh hot rotis, so that's gonna come soon. Till then I'll just place my food here. I've got 2 rotis and I put ghee on top of them because I love ghee. So I put a decent amount of ghee on the rotis. So what I meant by when I said that I'm very picky and choosy about my food is because I don't eat a lot of vegetables. I think I've been like that since I was a kid, and that is not the right way to be. So if you're watching this video and you are like me, change yourself, change your food habits. It's very important to eat all the vegetables, which I don't. I mean, I just ensure that I'm not eating a lot of junk because it is home food. Also, it is healthy. The menu that you guys saw in the fridge actually was made because I used to crib a lot about the food being made at home, and I was like, mere man ka nahi banta khana and all of that. So then my mom was like, you know, just make a menu, put it up, and we'll make exactly what you want to eat. So which is why the menu went up. So I eat things like rajma, kadhi, chole, what else, pastas. I mean, my mom makes really nice pastas, so that my mom is a really nice cook. In fact, she's made dessert today, so I have dessert as well, which I'm going to show you guys. So this is the dessert that we have. So I don't know what all this pudding exactly has, but I can see a lot of biscuit, and I know it's coffee based and it tastes a little bit like tiramisu. It's got rum as well, so it's really nice. So I'm done now with my lunch and my dessert. I don't usually eat dessert actually, but because pudding bani hui thi ghar pe, so I had it. Now I actually have to take my GSH OD. I switched from Forte to OD. If you have watched my skincare routine video, I mentioned that I take these supplements for my skin, and I've also started having this Tracnol powder. This has like vitamin D3, folic acid, and one more thing. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this I usually mix with water, and I'm supposed to have this twice a day. So I'm gonna have that now. Now that that is done, I'm gonna get back to work, and I'll see you guys during dinner time. I might snack on something in the middle. If I do, I will obviously show you guys. If not, I'll see you guys at dinner. So it's about 6:30 p.m. right now, and I have my hot coffee. It's ghar ki fiti hui coffee, or as you would call it, dalgona coffee. This is literally the best coffee ever. I love it. It's better than Starbucks, CCD, any other cafe. Love this. And that's Elvis, always keeping me company. So gonna go back to the kitchen to see what's cooking for dinner. And Mama's making some white pasta. Mama, what are you making for me today?
Junk food.
It's not junk food, okay? I just told everyone that I don't eat junk food so much. But this is white pasta, and that's onions being sauteed, that's corn, and there's garlic bread also. This is gonna be toasted in the oven or the air fryer. And that's gonna be the dinner. There's also dessert that Mama made. So that's also, there's another dessert, not the one that I had for lunch, but I'm gonna show you guys when I start eating. So after a very delicious dinner meal that my mother dearest made for me, I am now having dessert, which again is obviously made by my mom. It's got cake, it's got cherry, and it's got some vanilla ice cream. This is the last portion of the pudding that's left actually, so I'm just gonna finish that up. So good. And this also has rum, by the way. I think all the puddings that my mom makes have rum in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day video. I enjoyed making it. I do look forward to doing more vlogs like these for you guys. So let me know in the comments down below if I should do maybe a day in my life or a week in my life video. I would love to do that. So let me know in the comments down below. As usual, if you like me and my content, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.